crocodile, you can't catch me. Along came the croc, quiet as can be. Snap, now there's only two. Oh dear me. Two little monkeys jumping in the sun, laughing and bouncing, having some fun. Here comes the croc, floating with a grin. Snap!